Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start a meeting online, but first I wanted to mention that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then you can see at the top of the screen that messages with the plus icon option. Click on that and you can see the last option is meeting. So connect more easily with a single link. Start a video meeting with whomever you want by simply sharing a meeting link. Please note that meeting links are only valid for 90 days upon creation. When you join a meeting or send a message in the meeting chat, your line display name and profile photo will be visible to other participants. So if you want that, click on the create meeting. So you can change the name of the meeting. Then you can see that you can copy that link to send to other people, or you can click on the invite and then you can share this invitation link uh, through different chats. And after that, if you are all set, then you have to click on the start. So now if we are all set, then click on the join. Your display name and profile photo will be shown.